Okay, so let's go to materialize. And under JavaScript, you have carousel. So this is a component of materialize that also uses JavaScript. So please be mindful that we'll be using jQuery. All right. So to start, I already actually prepared here my folder carousel. Okay. So inside the carousel folder, you have I actually downloaded three photos, movie trailer photos. Moving one, move two, and move three are the names. Okay, so I'm gonna drag it here to my VS Code. There we go. As you can see, I have all the photos here. So I need to create a new file. I'm gonna name it as carousel.html. Okay. And let me also do style.css because I'm pretty sure that we'll be doing stylizing. All right, so let's go ahead and first, oh, not in style.css. Okay, let's type in exclamation mark, and also press enter. Okay, then right click on carousel.html and show preview. All right, so again, don't forget your word wrap. There you go. So first things first, let's change the title. So that would be carousel, as you can see here. And since we are going to be using materialize CSS, let's go to get started. And we're going to copy this to the header. All right, so hindi siya naka-word wrap. Let's word wrap it. There we go. And then the second one, this one for the JavaScript of materialize, I'm gonna put it right here at the bottom. Okay, let me go ahead and link the style.css. So that will be link and enter, and then type in style.css and follow link. Ayun, lumalabas na siya. Right? So ano pang kailangan natin? So we also need to have Java's okay, jQuery. So let's go ahead and type in jQuery here and then choose the CDN, jQuery CDN. And you know what to do, what to choose the one at the topmost part, and then look for minified, copy it, and put it above here, above the JavaScript. Pangalanan lang natin, comment natin. Comment is jQuery CDN. Okay, so I think we're ready to code. So ano yung gagayahin natin? That's gonna be this one. So let me show you what we're gonna be working on today. So that will be this part, carousel. Our carousel is a robust and versatile component that can be an image slider to an item carousel to an onboarding experience. It is a touch-based or touch-enabled making it to, sorry, let me repeat that. It is a touch-enabled making it especially smooth to use on mobile. So pwede siyang gamitan ng touch pag halimbawa mobile device yung gamit. All right. And then note this is also touch compatible. So try swiping with your fingers to scroll through the carousel. Unfortunately, walang image si carousel, si materialize dito. So you can only see the alternative icon alternate icon. And this is the code that we'll be doing. And then the initialization meron siya. So gagamit tayo ng jQuery. Ayun na nga. And itong gagamitin natin hindi itong taas ha. And then we'll discuss the options as well. So this time kasi ang daming options um, ni Carousel. Okay. Don't worry about the methods. We're not going to do that. But for the this one, full width slider, we're also going to be doing that and the special options. Okay, as you can see here. There. So let's go ahead and start. We have a lot to do. So let's start with div. Okay, so that's going to be div with a class of container as usual. And then let me copy that and h1 kasi yun ang pinaka title, but there's no stylizing. So let's do the style. H1 would be color red. Let's do this red. Okay. And then the font weight would be 300, or let's do 400. I think 300 would be better. All right. So let's go back here. Okay. So there is a full size divider. So let's uh, dun tayo sa labas ng container gumawa. So div with a class of divider. Ayun na, meron na. Okay, next will be the paragraph. So let's do a paragraph. P. Kung napansin nyo is wala nangyari, nagdire-diretso siya. Sorry. Let's put a container muna before that kasi dumikit dun sa side. So that's another div with the class of container. There we go. And as you can see, dalawa yung ating paragraph. So we have one, we have two. So we need to have separate piece for that. So the first one, let me remove this one. And then we have the second. There we go. All right. So far so good, but we're gonna do this now. Huh. Okay. So let's try to do that. As you can see there, we need to have, it's still inside the container. Maybe let's do it outside the container then. Okay. So the first thing that we need to do is to type in div. This is going to be with a class of carousel. Spelling guys ha, it has to be correct. Carousel. Okay? Okay, so ngayon ay isa-isahin na natin yung ating what do you call this? Actually parang kulang pa yung aking movie poster. So let me just look for something. Okay, so I think, yeah, actually that will do. I just drag or added posters. I think I'm just gonna be using posters instead. No copyright infringement intended. All right, there we go. From poster 1 to poster 5. Okay, so let's go ahead and start div with the class of carousel. Okay, and then let's do A. And this time I'm gonna do carousel item dash item. So yan kasi yung tawag dun sa per item or per picture. Okay? And then we will be doing the href siguro ay wag muna. But we'll be doing an image inside. So let's do img and type lang natin kung ano yung gusto natin dito. So that is poster1.jpg. Oh, na doble ito, nawala. Bakit ganun? Nasa labas kasi siya. But let's do another one. Let's just copy paste this. Alright, and let's change it to poster 2. Mas maganda kung magkakasize sila. Okay. And then this one would be poster 3. As you can see, wala pa kasi wala pa tayo nilalagyan ng initialization. So, tapusin ko lang tong 5 and then we'll do the initialization, guys. PNG pala yung isa. Yung isa is, tingnan natin, PNG din. So, be very careful kung ano yung, ano yung nandito. Okay. So, let's do initialization muna. Okay. Saan nilalagay initialization? Dito sa baba. But also, I would like to have div here. So, div with the class or with the style of height. So let me do like, for example, let me do 500 pixel. Okay, para pwede nating scroll. And then let me move it there. Okay, let's now do the script. So script element so that we can put the jQuery script. So where's the script here? As you can see, we do have here. So let's copy it. Carousel to. Tama, carousel naman tayo. So, dito sa baba, copy ko. Oh, hindi sa baba, sa loob ng mismong script. Ayusin ko lang, itab ko lang ng maayos. Okay, let's see. Hindi gumagana. Let's go to the code. By the way, let's put it here. Let's put a comment. Ito ang carousel code. Okay, ayun. Link kasi ito. Dapat hindi ito link. Dapat ito ay class. So, let's do class, 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 and class. Alright. So, ayun. Pinalitan ko na ng class, class, class. As you can see, meron na tayong full-fledged na carousel. Okay. Now, let's check each individual. Dapat alam din natin yung mga options natin. So, we'll be doing this. So, duration, number lang ang pwedeng ilagay dyan. Naka-default siya ng 200. So, yan yung in milliseconds, 200 milliseconds. So, where do we put that? So, we put that in the script part. Okay. So, let's do it here. Like duration would be 200 or 1000 then. So, let me check. Okay. So maglalagay na tayo nitong mga option na to. Ito-try natin lahat. Dito yun nilalagay guys sa loob ng carousel na code dito. So gagawa kayo ng sa loob nitong parenthesis dito, ibig sabihin pwede pa kayong maglagay sa loob ng curly brackets. Saka nyo ilalagay kung ano yung kailangan dito. So dito is duration 200 yung default. So duration Then colon lang, 200 yung default. So, ayan na nga, ganyan kabilis. Kaya lang kapag dinagdagan nyo ng 0, 2,000, mas mabagal. Ayan, pag ni-next nyo, di ba mas maganda siya. Lagyan pa natin isang 0. So, super bagal na niya. Ano, yun yung duration ng pag-transition niya. Okay? So, kung yung mabilis na mabilis sa D10, ayun o, parang kisap mata lang. Parang hindi na nga umaandar. Baka ano, yun. So, let's say 500. Ayan, yung ganyan, kabilis. Hindi, parang mas maganda kung 1,000 talaga. Ayan, smooth lang, suave lang yung galaw. Right? And then let's do this. Ano naman yung dist? Sabi ang negative 100 daw yung kanyang default. So, perspective zoom, if zero, all items are the same size. So, basically, that means is distance, if I'm not mistaken. So, let's do this. And then, negative 100 ang default niya. So, let's do negative 1,000. As in super layo. Let's do 100. So, as you can see, para siyang slider pero kita pa rin yung mga sides. Okay. And let's do 1,000. Yeah, hindi pwede. So, let's do 300. Ayun. Kumbaga, mula malapit sa'yo, palayo siya. Okay. Pag naman negative is pabaliktad. Pag ano naman, mula malayo, papalapit sa'yo. So, parang carousel. Yung carousel na naikot, yung tubibo. Okay. So, tandaan nyo yun ha. Pag negative, malayo, palapit sa'yo, tapos lalayo uli. Pag positive, the more na mas mataas yung kanyang value, 3,000, mas malapit sa'yo, papalayo. Super naman to. So, kung 3,000. So, let's do 500. Ayan, oh. Okay. So that's this. All right, next would be the shift. Set the spacing of the center item. So, ang default niya is 0. Let's try shift. Ayun. So, pag ginawa lang natin siguro 10, ayan siya. 100, mas lumalayo. Okay. All right. So, there are also things that you need to know. For example, this padding. So for padding, basically is set the padding between non-center items. And then non-visible, so set the number of visible item. So kung gusto nyo, nakikita nyo ilan yan? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Gusto nyo gawing ano lang, um, sabihin nating 2 lang. Ayan, dalawa-dalawa lang yung visible. Or let's say 3. Tatlo lang yung visible. And I'm gonna put it back to 5, right? Next would be the full width. So ito true or false lang. Kapag false, make the carousel full width slider like the second example. Okay, pag full width false, edi dapat true para ma-try natin. That's true. Yan na pala yung full width niya. Parang masyadong maliit yung picture. Okay. Try natin ang false. Ayan. Magpo-full width lahat ng picture pala. So, pag nag-full width lahat ng picture, pantay-pantay yung ano niya. Okay? Okay, next would be the indicator. So, let's do indicator is true. Indicator is wala nangyari. So let's do false. Aba, nawala na yung mismong carousel. So let's not do that. Okay, so as you can see, ayan na nga siya. And you can try this for yourself na. Okay, next we'll be proceeding with, let me delete this. Siguro ayokong gumamit niyan. Ayokong i-customize. Right, so sapat na sa akin yan. And then we do have the full width slider. We'll be doing this as well, but I'm not gonna type this na. Diretso na ako dito. So, ang pinagkaiba lang naman niya doon is dito nakalagay ay carousel. Wait lang, let me double check. Carousel slider. So, instead na carousel, meron kayong carousel as usual, dadagdagan nyo lang po ng carousel dash slider. So, what is a full width slider? Our carousel has a full width option that makes it into a simple, elegant image carousel. So you can also have indicators that shows up the bottom of the slider. Just please note that this is also touch compatible. So try swiping with your fingers to scroll through the carousel. Alright, so ito rin naman ang gamit natin kanina. So let me go ahead and copy all of these. Ang pinagkaiba lang niya guys, tandaan nyo is merong, um, let me type muna yung comment. Full with slider. And then this one, let me shift tab para pumunta doon. Lagyan ko na rin ng H1 dito. Kaya lang wala sa div. Uh, div container with the class of container. Kasi lalagyan ko siya dito ng full width slider na H1. Ano nga ba yung ginamit natin kanina? So that's H1. H1 full width slider. Yan, masyadong malaki, but that's fine for now. Maybe we can do H5. Um, let's do H4. I think that will do. H4. And then let's do center with the class of center para sumenter siya. Alright? So, ang pinakaiba lang dito sa full width slider is we will do carousel dash slider here. So, as you can see, mas maganda siya. Yun nga lang putol siya. So perhaps I can set the style or with a height of auto, or let's do with the height fit content. Hindi, wag natin lagyan ng style kasi nagkakaroon ng issue. Alright, siguro for demonstration purposes, pwede na siya. Okay, so as you can see, this is way much better because this is full width. Okay, pwede siyang pang hero shot. Okay, so yan ang kagandahan ng slider, full width slider ni Carousel. Okay, now, eto pala, pwede rin nating ilagay dito sa jQuery para gumana talaga siya ng maayos. So, copy natin ito, jQuery code. You can actually just simply, let's copy it. Copy this one, all of these actually, from here to here. We're gonna put it, as you can see kasi masyadong cut siya. So para gumana siya dito, ito yung una natin, this one, itong simple carousel. We'll add another one here. So let me type it here and let me go ahead and tab this para maayos tingnan. Um, what happened? Let me just double check. Hindi mo pala siya pwedeng basta i-tab. Okay, so at least you can see it now. So it's completely full width and full height. Okay? So pag yan ay pinalaki nyo, yun nga lang malaki rin yung ano. So if you want a smaller version or not a full width one, just turn it off here. False. Okay. Nasa labas pa rin siya kasi nasa labas siya ng container dito. Okay, so kung gusto nyo sa loob ng container, lagay nyo sa container. So, but I'm actually good with this one. So, i-full width natin kasi full width slider siya. There we go. Para mas maganda. Alright, so that would be our slider. And next we'll be having our special options. Okay, so what's with the special options? So let's have one quick moment and read this to you. So the carousel doesn't only support images, but also allows you to make content carousels. So you can add fixed item to your carousel. So as you can see, ito ay fixed. Nakikita nyo, merong text pero pag nakafix siya dun sa image, pag drinag ko siya, nasama. Okay? So fix item to your carousel by adding div with a class of carousel fixed item. So magdadagdag lang tayo sa class ng carousel fixed item. So meron kayong div carousel, then lagay nyo lang yung carousel fixed item doon, and adding your fixed content in there. So let's go ahead and do this. Let's actually do tatlo lang siya. So let me copy this one. Okay, this one would be dapat nasa labas to, nandito. And this one is here. Ayusin ko lang ha. It's always a good practice to clean your coding. Okay, so this one is special options. So let me type it here as well, special options. All right, but let's do break break line. BR and then another BR here. Let's also do BR here times 2. Ayan, para hiwa-hiwalay siya. Alright, so in this one, we'll be doing, instead of carousel slider, we'll be doing carousel slider. Let's see. Ito yung carousel slider nyo and then sinenter niya. So, dapat may center dito. So, center. Alright, here we go. And then, sabi dyan is, kailangan may nadagdag guys. Ito yung nadagdag. Div with the class of carousel fix item center. Okay, so yun yung idadagdag natin dito. So let me do this. And then lahat ito ilalagay ko sa loob nitong carousel fixed item. Ngayon, wala pang lumalabas kasi may sarili siyang initialization. So, as usual, we'll be copying this dito sa dulo, sa script. Mhm. Okay, let's see. So nadagdagan lang to ng indicators. Let's do, let's add indicators here. Alright, let's see. So okay yung una, pangalawa, and then ito masyadong maliit. Kaya ang liit. Alright. Anyway, we'll be continuing. So let's go back here and let me extend this one. Okay. So as you can see here, maraming nakalagay. So we have our button. Ito. Sa isang ano pa lang yan ha. Isang image. Ito pa lang yung sa isang image. And then we have another carousel item. Okay. So yung button, isa lang pala siya. So kailangan natin ng button. Let's go ahead and do this. Okay? Alright, so let's actually try to sige, delete ko na muna ito para kita natin. So the first thing we need to add is a, and this have a class of button btn. So kung gusto nyo, lagyan na rin natin ng waves effects. Waves that effects. So let's see. Ayan, okay na. Waves effect. Tama naman na. Alright. Next, lagyan natin ng color white. White yung color ng text. So that's white text. And let's do yung nasa loob button. There we go. So I think that's better. Kaya lang totally nawala yung mga photo kasi dinelete ko. And then what we need to do now, so hindi na maaalis yan dyan, yung button kasi nasa labas naman siya. Fix item center. And then we'll do another carousel item. So pag another is another div. Div, this one would be with a class of carousel item and then gawin nating iba-iba kulay. Okay? This one be carousel item. There we go. And this one would be red. Red and then white text. All right. So ayan na siya. And then we'll be doing let's say kung ayaw nyo ng ganito, pwedeng photo ha. Next would be sa loob niya is lagay tayo ng siguro H2. H2. And then pangalanan natin ng since panel to, first panel. Ayun. H2 ang ginamit natin guys ha. So next would be paragraph. Kayo na bahala maglagay kung anong loob niyan. This is your very nice first panel. Yan, kunyari copy. As you can see, meron na. Tama. So, kopyahin lang natin siya ng siguro 2 beses pa. So, ito yung second panel and third panel. Pangalanan lang natin ng second. And this one would, oh, sorry. This one is second. And this is second. This one would be third. And it would be third. Sorry guys ha, medyo namamalat yung boses ko. Kaya, let me try to continue. Okay, so as you can see, ayan na siya. Kaya lang, iba-ibang kulay. So let's do yellow here. And for this one, let's do, okay, what color? Let's see, let's do lime. All right, so let's see. So you have yellow. Oh, ayaw naman niyang mag-drag. Yun. So you already have your special options. Okay? All right. So let's see. Okay na yun for that. So that's the end of the carousel. Okay. So let's have your work sent to the GC and to the Google Drive. Okay?